Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Ghosh here. Can all of y'all confirm if you can hear my voice loud and clear? Fantastic. And I hope all of you can see the screen as well. You should be seeing Trade Tiger on my screen currently. Fantastic. How's everybody doing this evening, guys? It's sharp 9 o'clock on the dot. We have 73 people right now in the house, as usual, people joining in. So like always, friends, let's wait for a couple of them. Yeah, Satish, I do realize we'll be discussing them. Good. Okay. Lakshmi, yes. A lot of stop losses. Okay, we'll be discussing the stop losses, guys. Don't worry. I'm good, Srinivas. Thank you. Lohit, it's good to be here. Welcome, all of y'all. Let's wait for a minute or two. Manish, I didn't see. I'll check. 9 बजने में 2 मिनट बाकी. आरपी सिंह जी, मेरा क्लॉक तो 9:02 बता रहा है टाइम. How many people? Okay, 96. Okay, friends. So I'll see you tomorrow. A lot of pharma stocks has fallen substantially, Khyati. No, Satish, I'm just playing. Manish, yes, indeed, we did get stopped out in Biocon, and I think we should make back that money in a fresh call that I'm going to give you. So not to worry. Bilkul, Manisha. Good evening, Binny. Good to see you. Yes, all pharma stocks have been carnaged. I don't think down is the right word. The word is carnage. Yes, Srinivas, that is correct. Good evening, Rajesh. Aman, good evening. Yes, Glenmark, I'll have a look. Definitely, Manish. We will discuss about the pharma sector. Yes, we will look at Bank Nifty. Okay, friends, I think I should go ahead and start. We have 120 people. I don't want to wait anymore. We'll start off with Sir Jet Air. बिल्कुल शंभू, मैं खुद होल्ड कर रहा हूं Jet Airways. First, we'll start with Nifty, friends. Okay, as always, first we'll start with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Before I start the session, quick question to everybody. How many of you are attending the market, the monthly income session for the first time? How many of you have been attending the monthly income session for the first time? Just give me a yes if you are, give me a no if you're not. Okay, quite a few people. So very warm welcome to all those who are attending it for the first time. A quick caveat for all of you all over here. The caveat being that at some point, or it might be that some of you find the speed of the session a little fast, the discussion of the zones a little fast. In case ever you feel that happening, please stop me and I will be more than happy to explain it to you again. This is a monthly session, Shabir. I don't take any other sessions. Yes, Shambhu, we can hold it. We are holding it. I am holding it. That's very sweet of you to say, Vikas. So Nifty, let's start off, friends. The last time we were in Nifty, what was our view? Buy on dips, the market will consolidate, go long on dips. We were expecting a little bit of downside in the market. We were expecting some bit of consolidation in the market. We were expecting a small correction in the market, and my buy level was around 9350, thereabouts. Am I correct, friends? That was my buy level with a stop loss of around 9260. That view remains the same. That view has played out nicely. One caveat I want to add, there is nothing else that has changed in that view, friends. कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ है उस व्यू में. हम अभी बाय मोड में ही हैं निफ्टी में. 9260 का स्टॉप लॉस रखे. सिर्फ एक बात का ध्यान रखिएगा फ्रेंड्स, दिस रेंज विल नॉट होल्ड if the border tensions continue. There is a lot of tension across the border, because of which markets are very, very volatile today. I don't know how many of you were in the market today, but it was a nightmare to trade intraday today. If you go to the smaller time frame chart, you will see the kind of volatility. Let me go and show it to you. Can you see there was a lot of volatility happening? So that if that border tension escalates again, like it did today where Nifty fell, then this zone will not hold, friends. I repeat, then this zone will not hold. Yeah, keep a close watch on that, friends. Keep a close watch on that. That is our view with respect to Nifty. We are not planning any intraday trades. No, friends, we are not planning any intraday trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty correspondingly, this is the MIT session, Parthasarthi. We are long on Nifty with a stop loss of 9260, friends. We are long on Nifty with a stop loss of 9260. Yeah, and we are looking for a 1:1 target from this zone, friends. We are looking for a 1:1 target. We are not going to be aggressive because there is too much uncertainty about the whole Pakistan-India border issue. If we go to Bank Nifty, you will notice that Bank Nifty has broken down from this range. If you notice over here, the biggest constituent of Nifty has broken down from this range and signaling that there is more downside to continue in Bank Nifty. I repeat, signaling that there is more downside to continue. Secondly, another negative for Nifty is that USD INR is very swiftly moving from my zone. USD INR, we have a monthly income long trend that is also very swiftly moving from our zone. So that is also something that you need to keep in mind. Yeah, there is no fresh trades planned in Bank Nifty, friends. We are only looking at the Nifty long. Bank Nifty is actually a little more weaker, but let me just quickly run through it intraday to check. Deepak, this is the question and answer window, my friend. Trump impeachment is a far off thought, to be honest with you, I feel. Chandra. It's not so easy to impeach a US president. No, friends, there's nothing that looks good in Nifty. Nifty. No, Bhaskar, I'm not happy. To be honest with you. Not very happy. What is the high over here? Just a second, friends. Just a second, please hold on. Just a second, guys. Just a second, guys. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. No, I am not happy taking an intraday position in Nifty or Bank Nifty, friends. Only view right now with respect to the index is a long at 9350, which we already are triggered in with a stop at 9260. Absolutely, Suryakant. The border issue is dragging. Of course, there is some correction which is happening, which is warranted. But look at the screen today, friends. And I want all of you to take a good look over here. If you see the stocks that are negative, market has only fallen 25 points, guys. Look at market. Nifty is down 25 points. But can you see 8%, 7%, 6%? Can you see this over here? That is not a very good sign, friends. That is not a very good sign. Ideally, if the market was down 25%, I would have thought that the bad names, even if they were beaten 4-5% and the rest were down 1.5%, the screen would have looked much better. But that symbolizes a certain amount of panic because of an event. Mid caps have fallen, no doubt about that. No doubt about that. Monica, very sweet of you to say that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Broader picture is not very bad. See, Binny, you'll have to agree that we've had a 1,500 point rally in Nifty. And in the 1,500 point rally, we are only down 175 points from the top. We are only down 175 points from the top. Everybody in this room will agree. And correct me if I'm wrong, friends. If market tomorrow it goes up by 100 points, everybody will forget what correction happened. Would you all agree? 100 points if market goes up tomorrow, everybody will forget about this correction. But same way, market went up 1,500 points and one day of red there was on the screen and everybody's hands and legs got jittery. Because there is so much of emotion involved. It's not rule based and it's not technically based. Your emotions are so involved. दीपिका, मैं ये कह रहा था कि जब मार्केट 1500 पॉइंट ऊपर गया लास्ट 5 महीने में और उसके बाद एक दिन नीचे गया 100 पॉइंट के लिए, सब लोग थोड़ा सा अनईजी हो गए थे. Still, Dilip, we are on buying on correction. We are in a long trade at 9350. सेम वे, अगर इतना गंभीर स्क्रीन है, पूरा लाल है और एक 50-70 पॉइंट का अपमूव कल हो गया ना, सब भूल जाएंगे कि करेक्शन हुआ था. Yeah, clear everybody. On our view of the index, Dow is trading flat to mildly positive. The last I checked, it was up about 20 points. Is everybody clear? Give me a quick yes or a no, please. Sachin, I'll come to when I'm discussing trades. It has already started, Rajesh. You see, IndusInd and Yes Bank turned around again today. Shambhu, I'm going to come to all of the stocks. Now, friends, before we discuss today's stocks, let us discuss during uptrend, no entry at our level. Now entry, we got stopped out due to fall. I would disagree to that, Srinivas. Getting stopped out in 3-4 trades, and I think if my record is correct, we've made money on 19 trades. There is no correlation at all. That's okay, Surendra. Welcome to the session. Okay, before we start of me giving you trades, friends, what were the trades last time that I had given that we got stopped out in? Let's start. First one that we got stopped out was Ujjivan. Would you all agree? Ujjivan we got stopped out in. This was our level over level. Jigar, I hadn't given Shriram Transport Finance. Ujjivan, we had a level over here. This level and this level, and this level has got stopped out over here, very, very evidently. Then we got stopped out in Biocon. Okay, we got stopped out in Biocon. This was the level at 964 with a stop loss at 916. And again, we got stopped out in Biocon. Then one more stop loss we had was Oro Pharma. And Oro Pharma has had a steep fall, guys, a very unnerving fall. Oro Pharma, again, this was our level, drop, base and rally. We got stopped out in Oro Pharma, and finally we got stopped out in Glenmark. Am I correct, friends? Just got stopped out over here in Glenmark. So we've had 4 losses. 4 losses. नहीं, Sun Pharma मेरा trade नहीं था. Yes, 3 out of the 4 trades were pharma, and pharma turned into a vicious bear market. Glenmark was in tranches, is it, Ashwin? I don't remember. Was Glenmark in tranches, friends? Did I give in both tranches? Because Ashwin says yes. Vishal says, who is this saying yes? Vishal is saying yes. Surinder is saying yes. Pallavi is saying yes. And half the people are saying no. Now, I don't know if I have to watch the recording to remember. No, that's long old Dhiren. Yes, I would have very clearly mentioned that if you're taking one zone, it would have been an aggressive trade. Definitely, I agree. I would have mentioned that this would have been an aggressive trade. Okay, so yes. Now, what are the trades we are in, friends? If I'm correct, we are in Jet Airways. We've gotten a fill in the second tranche in Jet Airways. Yes, no? Jet Airways, we are still in the trade, friends. I'm in the trade along with y'all. Then we are in Hind Petro. Absolutely, in the Hind Petro level, we have an entry at 499. We are long in, what else? Idea has not reached our zone, or okay, it's reached our first zone, Idea. Idea has reached our first zone. Tata Motors. We are in Tata Motors. Correct me if I'm wrong, friends. We are long in Tata Motors. We are making good money in Tata Motors. Yes. iShare, this is not the level that I had given in iShare. iShare, my level is still a bit far away. My level in iShare is far away. Then I had given a trade. So today's trades of Coal India and all will come to. We'll come to those trades. But any other trades, friends? Tata Motor was not there in the trade. Tata Motor, Suryakant, maybe you're not aware, we've been carrying for the last, I think, 2 months, month and a half. We are in, already discussed, Satish, how many times? VEDL, we are in the trade, guys. Yes or no? VEDL, we are in the trade. One more stock that you guys forgot, we are in the trade in. And that is, we have a level over level in Bharat Finance also. Absolutely right, Joseph. We have a level over level in Bharat Finance. Prahlad already discussed. Any other trades? Coal India, we have gotten an entry. Am I correct, friends? Coal India, there is a level over level on the weekly. We've gotten an entry. Vipul and Yedu Kondalu, we have discussed that already. Lakshmi already discussed. We are in a level over level in Coal India. Aman, I just discussed that, Aman. Already discussed last to last session, Amarnath. Suryakant, immaterial Suryakant. We don't look at those kind of news. Any other trade that I've missed out, friends? I don't want to miss out any other trades. We are long on 5 trades. MRF, is it? MRF, we've not gotten a fill as yet. बिल्कुल अनूप, कोल इंडिया में एंट्री ले सकते हैं. कोटक अभी तक एंट्री नहीं मिला है विशाल. Not my trade, Rutvik. Okay, let's discuss some of the trades for today. Ram Shankar, I didn't give any trade in Shriram, my friend. No, I did not give any trade in 65,000 in MRF, Saeed. My entry, you can see, is marked over here on the screen. ICICI Bank, we've booked profit long back, Ayub. Lakshmi, that's not fair, right? Castrol, we got entry today. That's absolutely right, Praveen. And it's in our favor. It's a trade quite some time back, Praveen, in Castrol we had planned. I'm glad you remember that. We are actually in the money by 7 rupees in a falling market in Castrol. I know that because I'm in that trade. Manoj, which stock are you talking about? MRF, friends, I would say let us ignore. And the reason I say that is because we are already long in so many stocks. It's good to be diversified and not be only on the long side. So let's not enter into any more longs. Okay, Manoj, even better. Any short? I didn't get any good level, to be honest with you, Sangeeta. Maruti, we don't have a level. We booked out long back, Leroy. Satish, not my trade. I'm not sure of what which call you're talking about. Shall we start with today's? Yeah, Paresh, we are long on 5-6 stocks, so it's prudent not to take any more entries. It's prudent not to take any more entries. Shriram Transport Finance, you want my view? Definitely. Chandra, I would book out little bit if you're a short-term trader, my friend. Friends, it's already 9:25. हम लोग start करते हैं. First, Biocon. हम फिर long जाने वाले हैं, friends. I'm going to go long again on Biocon. Okay, and the level I'm going to go long is on CallWatch, friends. Let me open it up for you. Biocon. Okay. Can you see there is a lovely level over here? A rally base rally and a drop base rally. It is an aggressive trade, friends. I have mentioned very clearly because pharma is in a downtrend and my first level is marginally, I think, tested also. So it's an aggressive trade. Caveat, I'm in this trade, friends. I'm in the Biocon trade and we've gotten a feather touch and an entry. We've gotten an entry in Biocon. No, I would take both levels and buy it in tranches. Buy it in tranches. Yes, this is level number 1. Second level I'm planning is in Asian Paints, friends. Asian Paints, I have 2 levels. I have placed both the levels in CallWatch. This is level number 1. Let me remove this. That is where I have marked. This is level number 1 and this is level number 2. Yes, and I'm planning to take an entry somewhere over here. Already in call watch, friends. Already in call watch. Asian Paints long this is, guys. Asian Paints long. Yeah, Coal India I have already discussed with you all. Another two trades that I'm interested in is Dr. Reddy, Adani Port and TCS. Dr. Reddy, again, you might say, Rahul, why are we going long on pharma? But I am planning to enter over here at 2516 current market price. 2516 current market price. There is a level over level, one level on daily, one level on weekly. Yes, Paresh, Asian Paints buy in tranches. You're absolutely right. Screen is not refreshed. Okay, sorry about that. There, it should be better now. Yeah, it's a level over level, one in daily, one in weekly in Dr. Reddy. Okay, then we have Adani Ports also, friends. Can you see there is a level over level here in Adani Ports at 3-1. No, Krishna, I don't think Dr. Reddy is in call watch. I'll have to check. This is Adani Ports, friends. We are planning along in Adani Ports as well. Yes, so we have Asian Paints, we have Biocon, we have Adani Ports, we have, yeah, Dr. Reddy. Target is same, partial at 1.5, full at 2:1. Nothing changes. Dr. Reddy, current market price per entry had RP Singh ji. TCS, there is an interesting level. Can you see the one marked? The last TCL level, do you all remember, guys? This was the last TCS level that we had marked. What a phenomenal move we had. This is the current level on TCS I'm planning. 2386 with a stop loss of 2307. Which Dish TV, Shabir? Which Dish TV level are you talking about? I would exit at some marginal profits. I would agree, exit at some marginal profits, and I'll tell you why, Shabir. Just because we are our exposure to the long side is a little bit large. Our exposure to the long side is a little large. Yeah. That was TCS. You booked 1:1, then I would suggest you to exit Dish TV, my friend. Dr. Reddy target again same 1.5 partial 2:1 full. Can Glenmark be bought again? Pallavi, I would rather wait and watch because we are already in a long in Biocon. Priyanka, I do understand. That's a good level, Priyanka. Yeah, did all my new participants understand all the levels that I discussed? Let me come after that to Sun TV, Sachin. All the new participants in monthly income, did you all understand? Vivek, we'll have to take a call at that point. That won't be a very happy scenario. Vijay, there is a level at 604. Some of you were asking Shriram Transport Finance. Again, I would suggest, friends, we are long in already a lot of levels. Please don't over leverage to one side. This is the level with a stop loss of 870. But again, a caveat, please don't over leverage. Don't over leverage. Believe me, Jairam, I looked for some short calls, but nothing looks very good.